Hello and welcome to timegram's tutorial video series. Today we'll look at timegram's invoicing module. Let's get started. Invoicing module allows you to automatically generate invoices for the time logged in different projects. Here you can search the invoices by project name, filter by status, and filter by client, or use all three of them simultaneously. Make sure you mark an invoice as paid once you have received the payment. To do that, you have to click this button here. Now you will be asked to confirm this action, and once you click yes, it will be marked as paid. To create an invoice, select an existing project from the list. Select the date range for which you want to bill the client. Then select the due date. Editing the invoice prefix and serial is also an option, and additional notes can also be added to the invoice. Timegram will now show you the hours logged by all the users within that project and the total amount due. Hit create and you'll see your invoice in the list. To download the invoice, simply click this download icon and PDF will be downloaded for you to email to your client. That's it for the Invoices module. Feel free to drop us a message on our chat or create a ticket, and our support team will respond to your queries as soon as possible. See you in the next one.